For the first step, we need to list all the given premises from the problem. After listing all the premises, we will be using premise number 1 to proceed with our next step. Since it has negation outside the parentheses, we will use De Morgan's law by distributing the negation to each letter inside the parentheses while changing the operator into AND operator, and it will result into not R and not S. For the next step, we will use number 4 by applying simplification. With this AND operator and based on the function of simplification, we will choose 1 between not R and not S. And since we don't need R in this process, we will terminate it and use not S instead. Next, by using numbers 2 and 5, we will apply modus tollens. According to the rules of modus tollens, the second proposition of the first premise must be the same to the next premise but with negation. And so the same propositions will be terminated and the remaining proposition in the first premise therefore will be the conclusion and by adding negation on it. And for our seventh step, we will use number 6 by applying double negation. In double negation, we will just terminate the two negations so that the proposition will turn into a true value. And for the last step, we will be using numbers 3 and 7 by applying modus ponens. According to the rules of modus ponens, the first proposition of the first premise must be the same to the next premise. And so the same propositions will be terminated and the remaining proposition from the first premise therefore will be the conclusion. And that's it. Thank you for watching.